Okay, welcome back, welcome back. All right, welcome back to the party. I'm getting ready to show you all how I like to trim my beard, okay, and how I like to just moisturize it. Now, if it sounds like I'm whispering, it's because I am. My baby's right next to me, and that man is cranky, okay? So, let's get this party started. As you can see, I take my shears right there. I'm looking at any split ends that I may get. I've been spending a lot of time sleeping on the couch. I'm not in trouble. It's just the baby likes the couch, so that's where we're at. Okay, somebody was outside. I don't like when people walking around my house. It just bothers me. But yeah, so back to it. I'm just hitting it up with the trimmers, the shears, hitting up the shears, hitting up the split ends, getting underneath the split ends, just making sure I get that before it gets out of control. I've had split ends that go all the way down the shaft to the giggity, to the base of the the hair. It gets to my follicles and the roots and all that. So I just try to cut all that out a little early, and just trying to just go along with that there. And then the next thing, I'm gonna grab my beard comb, and get to that, and just kind of just try and agitate a little bit, get up in the hairs, because my hair is curly, my beard hair is kind of curly. So trying to get up in there, looking and see if there's anything just sticking out as a as a misfit, miscreant, that shouldn't be there. I'm just gonna fluff it up a little bit, just trying to see if there's anything that just is out of place. Always checking. Now, if you're wondering why my hair is white, it's because I was putting in some product, or I didn't work it all the way in. I'm a very lazy individual, so it is what it is. So now I'm applying some water. It's very important to have some nice bit of water, because once you apply the butter over top, you want the butter to really lock in that moisture. Okay, so right now I'm using my Afro Power Pick comb, and I'm using that comb there to just massage the skin underneath, really get the skin ready for the application of the Who butter. It's a Mother's Day 24 karat gold butter made by yours truly. I'm not saying it's the best, but I mean, I am the best, so it's better than the rest. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm applying it there to the sides, to the bottom. Now, the bottom is my most agitated part. It takes a lot of the brunt when I'm wearing a shirt or a sweater or anything from the winter. A lot of just rubbing there. So I like to make sure I'm getting the bottom as long as wow, that was a fail. As long with the sides, try to hit the sides a little bit, get those get nice. I like to go up as well to go against the grain sometimes to get it get that butter in there real deep. Just try to get that butter in there nice and deep, make its way into the skin, massaging the skin as well while we're doing that. And that's the gist of how this whole party goes. I think the next thing, I need to grab my brush. So I grabbed the brush real quick. Another gold brush, obviously branded, baby, yeah. And I like to work that as well, just to work out any other tangles that might be there. And then the ball head tips on the bristles are great job massaging the skin as well. That massaging of the skin is really what makes things, really gets the blood flowing. Really gets the hair growth to happen in there. And I trim my beard very often. I like to keep it up, like medium length. Well, I guess technically it's still a low length next to somebody with a big beard, but I like to keep mine nice and medium, just for personal preference. But I do want to grow healthy and go through all the cycles it's supposed to, in order to promote healthy hair. And that's it. Checking my teeth. Haven't brushed my teeth in like 3 days. It is what it is. Who cares? No judgment. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. And so mind your business. But yeah, just work that in. Just that's that right there. And just take a towel, dry the hands off, and let's call it a day. So this has been Mike's radio talk show on how to trim your beard and whatnot. See ya.